What is up guys, it's Jose here from Yugatech, and today we're going to be unboxing something special. It's the new Realme 10 Pro 5G. And it's the latest model from Realme, and we're about to unbox it. Well, actually we unboxed it a while ago, that's why the box is open already. But we're gonna do it for you guys, just so you can see what's inside and what comes with the phone, aside from, the phone. Alright, so let's get started. So, open it up, and you get a free Realme case, as with most Realme phones today, as with most Realme phones actually. So you get the user manual, you also have the SIM card ejector, and the free rubber case, which we won't be using today. Then of course, you also get the phone, which we'll talk about later. And surprisingly, Realme still offers a power cable, a power adapter rather, and a power USB-C cable, which you don't really find in phones today. Just look at Apple, they don't come with these anymore, so you just have to use your USB-C. So good on Realme. Now, let's talk about the phone itself. So from first glance, it actually looks really nice and it feels very premium. I actually like the this new blue colorway, and feels nice to the touch. And what I really like about it is that it seems a bit smudge resistant, because I'm putting my hands all over the phone and I'm not really leaving any fingerprints, or at least given this lighting condition, there's no visible marks at all. So what I really like about the new Realme 10 Pro is that they ditched the old curved design and they went for something a bit more boxier, which personally it feels easier to hold because it's not curved, so it's better on your palms. And they also ditched the camera bezel and they just went with the two circular ones without any housing, which some might like, but I personally prefer the one with the housing because these edges can get damaged, so I'm not too fond of it too much. But other than that, you still get a 3.5 audio jack, a USB-C, and a loudspeaker at the bottom. On the right side, you still have the fingerprint sensor, the volume buttons. On the left side, you have the dual SIM card slot, which also acts as the micro SD card slot. Up top, you get the loudspeaker along with the secondary microphone. If you look at this with the screen up, you can also see the front-facing camera up top, dead center. And aside from that, it looks really nice and it feels really premium to the touch. So the screen is a 6.72-inch display and it has a 120Hz refresh rate, meaning you can actually enjoy watching videos or playing games with this phone, which we'll actually try a bit later. So how does it feel when you're just browsing through the menu? It actually looks and feels really nice. It feels very premium. That's one thing I could say, especially compared to the older Realme 9 Pro. What other changes did Realme make to the 10 Pro, aside from the 6.72-inch display with the 120Hz refresh rate? Well, there's the camera. And it's a big upgrade too. You get a 108 megapixel lens, main lens for that matter, and a 2 megapixel secondary lens. Meanwhile, the front camera is a 16 megapixel shooter, so you can take better selfies. But what's really impressive is the rear camera, and let me show you. As you can see here, you have a 108 megapixel mode, which allows you to take very high quality photos. And the resolution is really good. You can zoom in and you can actually see all of the detail. While it does look somewhat synthetically enhanced, it's still not bad given the phone. Another change Realme made to the 10 Pro can be found under the hood. It's now powered by a Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. Yes, 5G. So that means you have faster connectivity and internet speeds, especially when you're on the go or going around Metro Manila and wherever you are. So this means you can watch videos more easily and you can play games without experiencing any lag, so there's no more rage quitting and all that, unless that's a skill issue. No, that's not the phone's problem anymore. With the new chipset, it also allows you to play more powerful games like Mobile Legends and Genshin Impact without any issue at all. So this phone comes with 8GB of RAM standard, but it can be expanded by another 8GB if you need more RAM, especially when you're playing games or watching videos or whatever you're doing. And all you have to do is go to the settings and then just swipe it up. But do note, you do have to restart the phone in order for the additional 8 GB to take place. In addition to the RAM, you also get the new Realme UI 4.0, which now runs on Android 13. So it's a great upgrade, especially if you're looking for a new phone to start 2023 with. Because, you get Android 13, 108 megapixels, and a 2 megapixel extra camera, and a 16 megapixel front camera. So what else? Well, you get a 5000 milliamp battery with 33 watt fast charging. So that means the battery size is standard, but at least you have 33 watts fast charging, so that means less downtime and you can actually use the phone more, especially when you're on the go. So that's about it for this unboxing of the Realme 10 Pro. You get new 5G connectivity, a Snapdragon 695 chipset, which is more powerful compared to before, Android 13, a 5000 milliamp battery, and also a 108 megapixel camera. Now, this is just an unboxing, so we won't go into details about the phone, the specs, and how it performs. But you can catch that in our later video, which will come out in the near future. Probably next week or something like that. So, what do you think of the new Realme 10 Pro by what we've discovered so far? Do you like it, or do you like the older 9 Pro better? Well, whatever you think, drop it down in the comment section below so we can find out and let's talk. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more of these contents. We'll be doing more tech reviews, especially like more of these, like the Realme 10 Pro, also the 10 Pro Plus, which will be coming out soon. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Also, visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Jose, and I'll see you in the next one.